In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a section to another notebook. If you work with multiple notebooks, moving a section is a great way to keep related pages together without recreating anything. A section is the colored tab that groups a set of pages, and a notebook is the top-level container that holds your sections. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into the correct account and that the notebook you want to move to is available on your device so it appears in the list. First, open the notebook that currently contains the section you want to move. This makes the section tab visible and ensures the app knows where you're starting from. Take a second to confirm you're in the right notebook, especially if you keep personal and work content separate. Next, locate the section tab along the top or side of the app window. Right-click that section tab to open the context menu. On a touch device, a long press does the same thing. If you have several sections with similar names, glance at the pages inside to double-check you've selected the correct one. From the menu that appears, choose Move or Copy. This option tells the app you want to change where the section lives. Move will relocate it, Copy will duplicate it. If you're reorganizing and don't need two copies, Move is usually the cleanest choice. If you're sharing material with someone else but want to keep an original, pick Copy. A dialog opens showing your available destinations. Browse the list and select the notebook you want to use as the new home for this section. If you don't immediately see it, make sure that notebook is open in your app or expand any collapsed lists so it becomes visible. Pay attention to the notebook name, especially when it looks similar to others, to avoid sending the section to the wrong place. Finally, confirm your choice by clicking Move. If you chose Copy, click Copy instead to keep the original section where it is and create a duplicate in the destination. The app will process the change and you'll see the section appear under the target notebook. Give it a moment to sync if you're working across devices, and that's how you move a section to another notebook.